5 Best DVI HDMI Adapters in 2019. We are going to check out top 5 best DVI HDMI adapters in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this DVI HDMI adapters, you can check out the link down in the description and comments section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Top 5. OMorc 3-in-1 Mini DisplayPort, Thunderbolt, to DVI/VGA HDMI TV adapter cable for Apple iMac and MacBook Surface Book Surface Pro 3/4 ThinkPad X1 Black. Supports HDMI, DVI/VGA input port. You can connect the display to one of HDMI DVI/VGA output ports. Supports audio output when connecting the iMac, late 2009, and MacBook Pro, mid-2010, to HDMI display. Only one of the 3 outputs could be used at a time. You cannot use all of them simultaneously. Compact and lightweight and portable, space-saving design fits easily in your laptop carrying bag. Top 4. USB-C to HDMI DVI/VGA adapter, Monodeal 4-in-1 USB 3.1 Type-C hub VGA HDMI DVI video adapter 4K UHD, support HDMI and VGA, DVI and VGA simultaneously, male to female multi-display video converter. 4-in-1 USB-C hub. This USB-C to DVI/VGA HDMI adapter allows USB-C enabled devices such as MacBook Pro, Chromebook Pixel, to connect with HDMI/VGA DVI equipped devices such as monitor, projector, TV, for multiple monitors, extending working space with mirroring or extending display. Note: VGA port can work simultaneously with HDMI or DVI port with maximum resolution of 1920x1080p, and 2 external monitors will show the same image. HDMI and DVI ports can't work simultaneously. Crystal clear images. The HDMI and DVI ports deliver high-definition video in up to 4K UHD 3840x2160 at 30 Hz, which is 4 times clearer than 1080p. With Monodeal USB 3.1 Type-C to DVI HDMI VGA adapter, you can enjoy vivid images, easy to create home theater and make presentations at meetings.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 3. USB 3.1 Type-C to HDMI adapter, Topoint USB-C to HDMI DVI 4K VGA USB adapter converter for 2016, 2017, 2018, 2119 MacBook Pro, 2018 MacBook Air. 4-in-1 USB 3.1 Type-C to HDMI VGA DVI multiport adapter with USB 2.0 hub for connecting PC laptop to HDMI VGA DVI equipped monitors and displays. HDMI and DVI output support up to 4K resolution, 3840x2160 at 30 Hz, backwards compatible to 1080p and 720p. Delivers high-definition audio and video. HDMI and VGA, DVI and VGA ports can work at the same time, but the max resolution is 1080p while they works at the same time, but the 2 external monitors will show the same image. Note: HDMI and DVI ports can't work at the same time. USB 2.0 port to connect and charge compatible devices and peripherals. USB data transfer speed of up to 480 megabits per second. Maximum current output of 500 mAh. Top 2. Plugable USB 2.0 to VGA DVI HDMI video graphics adapter for multiple monitors up to 1920x1080, supports Windows 10, 8.1, 7, XP. Connect multiple additional monitors to your Windows laptop, desktop, or tablet PC, one display adapter required per monitor, to expand your workspace and increase your productivity. Create a large extended desktop by spanning extending displays using any VGA, DVI, or HDMI monitor or projector. DisplayLink DL165 chipset supports resolutions up to 1920x1080 at 60 Hz, 1080p. Compatible with Windows 10, 8.1/8, 7, XP, drivers available via Windows Update or direct download. Mac and Linux not supported. Requires up-to-date, WDDM-compatible graphics driver in Windows. Most modern Windows systems meet this requirement. Some graphics drivers, Intel HD 4000 and prior, do not support mirror-cloned external display in Windows 10. You cannot mirror more than 2 displays due to a limitation at the operating system level. We love our Plugable products and hope you will too. All of our products are backed with a 1-year limited parts and labor warranty and Seattle-based email support. Top 1. Plugable USB 3.0 to HDMI DVI VGA video graphics adapter for multiple monitors up to 2048x1152 1920x1080, supports Windows 10, 8.1, 7, XP. Connect multiple additional monitors to your Windows laptop, desktop, or tablet, one adapter required per monitor. Plug and play USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 connectivity. Widest possible monitor support via DVI output and both VGA and HDMI adapters included in box. Supports resolutions up to 2048x1152. Robust built-in USB 3.0 cable to maximize durability. Built-in cable is backward compatible with USB 2.0. Windows 10/8.1/7/XP drivers available via Windows Update, download, or disk. Mac OS X and Linux not supported. Suggested for use with web productivity software. Gaming not supported. We love our Plugable products and hope you will too. All of our products are backed with a 1-year limited parts and labor warranty and Seattle-based email support. All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.